Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling developer options so you can change display scaling. Go to Settings, About Phone, then tap Build Number 7 times. Once done, return to Settings and open Developer Options. Make sure you've backed up any critical data because UI elements can shift. Also, close heavy apps and keep your battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now move to Display Settings and keep an eye out for density or smallest width options, because those are what we'll adjust next. You'll find the key control under Developer Options labeled Smallest Width or sometimes Display Size. On some devices, it's called DPI or Density. Lowering that number reduces effective resolution. Start by decreasing in small steps, like 10 to 20 units, to observe the effect. After each change, check Home Screen, Apps, and Text Legibility. If icons or text become too small or overlapping, reverse the last step. Make sure to test Landscape and Portrait modes, because behavior, once you've found a comfortable density, keep it and observe for a day to ensure apps behave. If something goes wrong, return to Developer Options and restore the default value or use the Reset option in Settings. This often fixes layout issues. If third-party launcher apps cause trouble, uninstall them or switch back to the default launcher. Reboot the device and, if necessary, clear system cache to remove residual display artifacts. Remember, small incremental changes reduce risk and make rollback easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.